Well, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. What you'll learn about in this video is how you can protect yourself with crystals. With this COVID-19 coronavirus stuff going on and we are isolated, we are all indoors, we need to start thinking about ways to energetically and spiritually and mentally and physically deal with the situation. It's very important to take care of your mental health at this time. It is so important. Being isolated inside, worrying about what's going on in the world when all we're faced with is bad news every single day on the news, that's going to have an impact on our mental health. So if you really want to work on healing yourself and making yourself feel happier, because we want to feel happiness, you know, we got to make the best out of this situation. Because if you're just going to mope and be depressed about it and cry all the time and just feel like the world's against you, then that's what's gonna reflect in your reality. Not living in fear. Fear creates stress. We need to live in the now. Just live in the present. Just think. Stop worrying about the future. That is what's making us very disconnected from life. We are so worried about what's going to happen in our future. We are forgetting about the now. So now we're all feeling low and miserable and worried about so many different things. Is my business gonna work out? My health, I'm worried about my family. Government are making us very distant from each other now. It's gonna make the world very disconnected. That's what it's going to do, and it is going to create a lot of fear if you keep putting yourself into looking at the research and finding out on the news what's going on, and yeah, you're gonna be a bit scared, ain't you? So to incorporate crystals and meditation, these have been scientifically proven. It helps the body and mind, and you guys are going to need it during times like this, because obviously we are going through a scary pandemic situation that's going on, and we all need to be aware of our emotions, of what we're feeling, what we're thinking, how we are being with others, how we are connecting with others, your mental health. If those are the things you're worried about, yeah, you're gonna want to get some crystals. So enjoy the video, hope you enjoy it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah. So to begin with, what are crystals? They are defined as a mineralogical body with a characteristic internal structure and enclosed by a symmetry of plane faces. So that is what crystals are defined as, but they are much more than that. And they have been mentioned more than 200 times in the Christian Bible. Another interesting fact is that there is silicone in crystals, and the Earth's crust has got silicone in it. So yeah, the Earth's crust is made out of silicone. So we are pretty much on a crystal. You can even use crystals in modern technology. The way we interact with crystals is energetically. They are a form of energy, and we are energy. In each crystal, every single different one has their own unique ability, their own unique power that can energetically attach onto you, which will help you raise your vibration and raise your frequency. So if you have a crystal that is known for healing or drawing in abundance, money, or vibrating the energy of love, or helping you ease your anxiety or depression, they're very beautiful to look at. You can have them as a house decor, you can have them as a pendant, as a necklace, you can any jewelry, you can get them as lamps. There's so many different varieties of ways you can have crystals and incorporate them in your life. We have chakras, and they are based at the top of your head to the bottom of your spine, and these are energy points. So when you have crystals, these can balance out your chakras, because if these get out of aligned, we can feel very imbalanced emotionally, we can feel imbalanced in our just day-to-day life physically. Aligning your chakras will keep you in tune with yourself, make you feel happier and healthier. It's important to make sure you have the knowledge on these things, because if you are suffering with anxiety and depression, or you're unwell, you need to balance out your chakras, and this is where crystals can come along, and meditation. We are the transmitter of information and energy. We absorb energy. We can take in a lot of negative energy. So with these 5G towers that are up, that is going to really affect us mentally and physically and our energy field. So orgonite is what I want to talk to you about. So I am wearing one now. This is called an orgonite. And what you need to be aware of is obviously the 5G towers being put up. So now there's going to be more radiation. And you know what orgonite does? It protects you from radiation. And the power of that, orgonite transmits negative energy into positive energy. So any negative energy trying to influence or attach itself onto you, the energy field from the orgonite is going to transmute that into positive. Crystals are very easy to get hold of. You can get them online, crystals. There's a lot of crystal shops online. There's eBay, there's Amazon. You just gotta make sure they're genuine, but you can get tumble stones, you can get quartz. The bigger the crystal, the more powerful they're going to be, obviously, because they amplify more power. The universe has given us tools to be used in this life. Very important as well. Building up your immune system. Now more than ever, we need to be eating healthy. We need to be taking care of our health. Because just washing your hands ain't good enough. Because you're also washing off the good bacteria on your hands, and our body is full of good and bad bacteria. So the advice just to wash your hands ain't good enough. You need to build your immune system up. Vitamin C, there's so many herbal remedies and herbal medicine that can heal your body from any sickness, any bug, a lot more better than medication. That's man-made, that has side effects. The power of meditation is being able to learn how to control your mind and to keep your mind at peace, because we have a lot of that going on in our heads. We've got the ego, which is kind of like the negative Nancy in our head, always judging, being judgmental, fearful, making you doubt yourself. And we got to come to a balance of being able to align that, meditate, be calm. World's not against you, it's all going to be fine. Protect yourselves. Crystals important. Food very important. I am going to do a video about the healing properties of food and foods you can eat, and it doesn't have to be really expensive. You can still, and it can still be peng a la peng peng, you know. Food can actually taste good, that's healthy. I always make takeaways, you know. Fancy a burger and some chips, I'll make that healthier for you. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I think likes is what I get least off around here. And I'm like, do people like my videos or no? I don't know. But anyway, see you later.